This video shows how to replace the fan on a PowerEdge R350. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge-manuals. To begin, first remove the system cover. To do this, if the latch lock is in lock position, rotate it to the unlock position. Lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system, and then lift the system cover off. For the cooling fan, first disconnect the fan cable connector by pressing the release tabs on the fan cable connector on the system board. Now, lift the cooling fan out of the fan cage. To replace the fan, lower the cooling fan into the cage until it is seated firmly. Press the release tabs on the fan cable connector and connect the cable to the system board. Finally, replace the system cover by placing the cover into its position on the system. Lower the latch to engage the cover onto the system, and then rotate the lock on the top of the system cover to the locked position. You have replaced the fan on a PowerEdge R350. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge-manuals.